Hello and wakey bakey BitMonger family. Monger with you here today. Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. And in today's video we'll be looking at Bitcoin, and we'll also be looking at my short trades that I was making yesterday. And you guys are going to be blown away, man. It was like cha-ching, 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 cha-ching. I was just racking them up, man. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a quick look at Bitcoin and see what's happening right now. So we can see in yesterday's video I was talking about how it kept testing that trend line, and that it could possibly, the more it tests this trend line, that it's likely to break out. And that's exactly what happened, guys. We are currently trading at $95,326, and my portfolio has absolutely ripped. I am up about roughly $25,000 today, my crypto folio. So it's a good day. Now, I believe that this is happening primarily due to the market structure bill. As I mentioned before in my other video, that's a huge piece of legislation. I think there's a lot of anticipation for that. And if that gets passed, as I had mentioned, I think markets will get bullish. And that's exactly what I think we're seeing right now. So if that bill for some reason doesn't get marked up, or if there's any sort of problem, I expect this to come back down quickly. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. So yeah, look at that, guys. I mean, it absolutely, when it broke through that, it absolutely ripped. I had put a short on there, and luckily, guys, remember, risk management is number one. Number one, risk management. So I had a stop loss like right about here, and I got cut out of the trade. And unfortunately, I was sleeping when this happened, so I wasn't able to reverse it or put in a long on it, but that's okay. As you guys will soon see, I had a very good day anyways yesterday. And this is my thoughts on Bitcoin. I think we need to see, first of all, we need to see this 95. I would like to see it get over $95,500 and hold that for at least a day or two. And like I said, I think a lot of this is based around on this markup on this market structure bill, and that is just huge, guys. So that's what we need to be watching it right now. You know, I'm just sitting on my hands. I am in a short trade right now, though. I'll talk about that in a second. Go ahead and you guys can look through here. This one here, put this on your radar. This is the video that I was talking about, the market structure bill, and something that you need to be considering. Also, let me show you how I'm currently sitting in my portfolio. So that's what I'm sitting on right now, guys. I am still heavily in cash. As you guys know, early October, I took money off the table. Thank God. And I bought some Bitcoin back, but not a lot. And I'm currently sitting on around 47% in cash, 38% in Bitcoin, about 12% in Solana, and the rest is absolutely crumbs, guys. I'm trading. And as I suspect, I do still think that there will be a liquidity event. And I think I spoke about that one in this video here, where I do believe that there will be a liquidity event and we will see some sort of contraction, and that's when I will be looking to deploy more in my spot positions on Bitcoin and perhaps Solana. I'm also eyeballing Sui. Sui's looking really strong. And I also like that beta play on Sui, as I mentioned before, that bluefin. I think that one could absolutely rip if Sui catches that strong bid. So let's go ahead and take a quick look at some of my trades. You guys, man. So there we have that one. I shorted that one again, made 44%. And Dash. And guys, this is the one that I was just trading it up and down, up and down. It would go up. I would put my order in. It would come back down. I would take profit. I would put my order back in at a bid based on what my analysis on where it might go back up to. I would sit on it. It would hit. It would come back down, and I would take profit. So that's one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. And that one's the one that I'm currently in right now. So guys, man, I mean, you can add up those numbers. I made a killing yesterday shorting this single coin, just killing it, man. And let's go ahead and take a look at that chart so you can see why I did it. Look at this freaking chart. Look at that. Oh my God. You know, when you guys see something like that where it absolutely rips and just fucking goes on a tear like that, you can bet your ass it's probably going to short. And my guess is that this coin Dash was heavily used back in the day in South America, in particularly Venezuela. And I suspect it probably caught a bid on maybe a resurgence of that, perhaps. But anyways, when you see something rip like that, man, yeah, I like to short it. And it paid me really, really well. And it's paying me right now. So anyways, guys, there you have it. That's my analysis on Bitcoin. And I'm sitting on my hands currently. I'll be looking to see Bitcoin get above 95.5. Hold that for some time. I'm also kind of on the sidelines because I want to see what's happening with this market structure bill. I think that's what's caused this pump. And I am killing it on my short trades, guys. Man, life is good. Just need to get better on this health issue. My skin is still killing. I've run out of prescription meds. I have to go get more prescription meds today. Because right now, all around the edges of my eyes, it feels like it's just fucking on fire, guys. Miserable. Anyways, I hope you're all doing well. Monger.